Matt Crocker, thanks for joining us here at the EIC annual conference. You're from the Environment Agency and lead on enforcement and regulation. When it comes to the enforcement of environmental standards, I suppose, are we winning the battle there? Are we really making sure that the industry is meeting the standards that we require?
The vast majority of people with permits, over 14,000 permits, well over 90% are rated as A, B or C. They're above the line, they're good performers. In fact, we get some people that go beyond compliance because they see it as good business sense. But there are some persistent poor performers out there. In 2014, there was about 600 permits which were rated D, E and F. And then particularly surrounding the waste industry, there is a criminal element which actually just flout the rules, and they undermine legitimate business, they damage the environment, and they make people's lives misery.
But you were saying that you're actually seeing a drop in the work that you need to do to enforce nowadays.
Not necessarily a drop in the work we do. What we do is we target what we do. We're risk-based. Right. So depending on who we're dealing with and where they're coming from, is actually we tune our relationship with them. Yeah. So it might just be enforcement, or it might be guidance that we give people to help them comply, or it might just be going along and providing that level of assurance. But we very much are a risk-based organisation.
But notwithstanding the fact there is a criminal element, generally speaking, the industry wants to work with you as a partner rather than as a policeman.
Absolutely, and in fact, we can't do this all by ourselves. And in fact, we need, the industries that are out there are doing a fantastic job and protecting the environment and complying with their permits in the main. More than 90% are. And we need their help to actually drive out the poor performance. It's not acceptable to not comply with your permit or not have a permit.
Right. So I suppose the rules are there in many ways to help business to operate more effectively and more efficiently.
We'd like to think so, and actually we're very much open to suggestions. So if people actually think that we've got that risk balance wrong, well, discuss it with us, because we've got a whole range of ways that we apply permitting to meet the risk and to meet the issues that we're facing. But it's a dynamic situation.
You've got a new chief exec coming in at the end of the month. How's that going to impact life at the agency?
Well, the Environment Agency is a fantastic place to work. It really is brilliant. I mean, we're going to be 20 years old as of April next year. I can't remember how many chief execs we've had now. They've all brought something really special and unique, and actually I'm really looking forward to him starting.
Great. Thanks for joining us here today.
Thanks a lot.